Give me some money.
What is he saying? He's speaking Nepali. Yes, hello everyone, Nepali people. Welcome back again. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi, guys. Yeah, next month I'm planning to visit Nepal, guys. Yeah, I'm from Africa and I studied with few of Nepalese friends and I came to know Nepal is a very amazing and peaceful country to visit. So yesterday night, guys, I was just scrolling about like to check to see more vlogs about Nepal because I am also so curious to know much more and to know what I can do when I come to Nepal, right? So just on my feeds, I found a video from one guy who is from, yeah, I think from USA, right? The YouTuber here by the name The Lost Joy, guys. So this guy had a controversial video which was going just viral in Nepal within 1 week back, guys. So I also watched the video, guys, and I want before judging, guys, I want you also to watch with me like the only controversial part of the video, which is like 3 minutes here. We're going to check and I will give my I'll give my own point of view. And soon I'm also coming to Nepal, so I want to know much about Nepalese. And let's start.
Give me some money. Give me
What is he saying? He's speaking Nepali. We apologize from Guru Makawan. That guy was speaking Nepali. What, guys? What was he saying?
I don't know what you're saying. What do you say?
You guys tell me what he said in Nepali. That guy.
Maybe little, only little.
Call her Boyni.
Boyni.
Give me a right.
Boni.
मलाई खाना दिनुस्
Right?
मलाई खाना दिनुस्
What is it?
मलाई
Molai?
खाना
Kana?
दिनुस्
Dunus.
yes मलाई खाना दिनुस्
Molai kana dinus.
yes
It is Nepali.
She looked friendly.
Nepali word
Oh, Dhanabad.
give me some rice
Give me some.
Kiri rice
I don't know what you're saying. What do you
I
say?
think he spoke something in Nepal. You guys can tell me in comment section what he was saying.
chicken
No.
chicken
This rice.
mutton
Yeah.
mutton
No, I'm okay.
This rice costs 1500 rupees. If you have 1500 rupees, pay it. Otherwise, you have to wash all the dishes.
Oh, watch the dishes.
All the dishes.
Oh my goodness.
Otherwise, we are going.
I got a rod.
Hang on. We are going to take your.
Oh, you.
Okay, till here, guys. Wait. First, I don't know what this guy said in Nepali because I don't know the Nepali language. But the way he said, you have to pay 300 or either you have to wash all the dishes. You have to wash all the plates. So that what from my own point of view, it was sounding friendly. That was sounding like kind of a joke. Okay, it's like a joke, not friendly, but it's kind of a joke. But I don't know what he said before that. Before that, what he said in Nepali, what if I will know, then I can judge completely. Until here, this guy said you have to pay 300 or otherwise you have to wash all the dishes. That is kind of joke from his face expression. But when he was talking in Nepali, guys, the face expression was little bit so something like wrong. Even the guy Joe, he felt something wrong. That's why he was like, I think he wanted to eat more. This guy wanted to eat more. But when that guy came and he was speaking so unpleasant and in Nepali word, he failed not to take more. He took only rice and he didn't take chicken or mutton. But let's check more.
You gotta pay for it. I pay 5,000.
So you have to pay for this.
How long? I gotta be back at 7 or 8, so I gotta eat this. Finish my food.
If I'm going to break your that, what the hell camera?
No, I'll pay. Don't worry. I'll pay. Don't worry.
First and then record.
You got a problem.
First thing is you have not taken my consent to record. So, I am going to sue you. You have not taken any consent to record that.
Sir,
have
you
you
came to
taken
me.
my consent to
You
record
came
my
to me,
video?
sir.
Have you
I
taken
think
my
this is
consent
where
to record my
things
video?
became
Throw
serious
that
here.
out. Have you taken my consent to record my video? Is that necessary or not? Is that necessary or not?
Like, I'm
You
trying.
don't know them morally.
I'm just trying to eat. All right, I'll leave.
Brother
I'll pay
saying
for it.
I'm
Don't worry.
just trying to eat.
Don't worry, I'll pay for it.
Brother wanna eat, bro.
Don't worry.
Bro, you just want to
And
eat. I'm trying to eat, bro.
Excuse me. Sorry for that. Excuse me. You can finish.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Guys, this is based on
Here, I'll pay for it.
के बेच्दैछ? त्यसले मेरो भिडियो खिच्नुभन्दा अगाडि सोध्नुपर्छ
Here, pay for it.
मेरो लिमिट के?
No, no, I'll pay.
Please.
It's a
Okay.
story.
No.
It's prank on
It's
you.
not prank. Only. Please. My friend.
This is
He's
like.
saying it is a prank. I think that guy looks so confused, guys. The Nepali guy. I don't know why he did like that. I don't know what exactly, guys, but it really happened. I think at the end of this video, he felt bad for himself also. That's why he was saying it is a prank. But no. I think that is when he knew he was wrong. Even his own friend confronted him for that. I think, but honestly, guys, the two ladies, they were so friendly, guys. Like, not only the two ladies, everyone there, they were okay, guys. They were okay. But I think that only guy, he has his own personal problem. I don't know what is behind that, but just know it happened, guys. It really happened. This can happen in every country. Believe me, it will happen. More than this can happen. It doesn't mean that all Nepali people are bad, guys. But yeah, you just have to know that you have to mind your word, like what we can learn from this. Like the guy, especially that Nepali guy, I think he would have regret this by today, because now his video is going viral, and just because of food, you will be viral and everyone is going to speak bad about you. How you feel? It's just a food, right? Yeah, you will eat it the same day and next day it will be over. I know how people struggle to get the food, but if food is there, if it's available, okay, you can help. But if it is not available, then you can help others, right? It was a picnic. I know people have to pay for the food. You have to do sharing to buy the food items and to make food. But just, guys, this is not only for him, this is for everyone, guys. Before you speak a word and you regret that word, just know that word, know the meaning of that word, so that later you don't regret it. And also, coming to my brother Joe, to Joey brother, guys, is you don't have to feel bad, brother. I'm also a vlogger. Like, we used to experience very bad thing like this. Like, it happened in this world. Some people are already depressed. So many people in this world, they are already depressed. They have a lot of problems. Forget of family problem, personal problem, tension, depression, all on them, guys. So when you come into such places or into a new society, you try to interact. First, try to interact with the people, and you see how they behave, how they will react before you dive straight into something, because some people's reaction are not the same. But I just love the way how those ladies welcomed him, and they were so positive with him, guys. That was so amazing, and I just love these guys. I can't wait, guys, to visit Nepal. I'm coming to Nepal, guys. I'm really so happy. Next month I'll be in Nepal, and I also want to have kind of such videos whereby you want to know the hospitality of the people. And yeah, I can't wait for my vlog, guys. It's okay. This is something common. It will happen. It doesn't mean Nepali people was bad, but I just said from the beginning when this guy said you have to wash the dishes or else you have to pay. You have what? You have to pay 300 or else to wash the dishes. That was kind of a joking way. But I think the word he spoke in Nepali, it is a very bad word. I think if you guys will say the word that guy said in Nepali, from his face expression, it was looking really serious. So maybe it was a mistake from him. But it's okay, guys. It happened. Chill, bro. It's okay. So that is it, guys. See you soon in Nepal. Make sure, guys, to subscribe, guys. subscribe to this channel and go and check my reaction. I have one amazing reaction to Casey, Shoshan Casey Bardali song, guys. Go and check it out, guys. See you soon in Nepal. Dhanyabad.